Hi there and welcome to syncX, Stock Sync. You can update or add variant options to products with the matching column. On the matching column of the feed, find or select variant option from the product options variations. You can add up to 3 different variant option. Enter the column name or index for mapping. For the variant option smart settings, you can enter the variant option name of the option value that you have matched. You can switch to mapping when the variant options does not have their respective columns. For example, if all the option name are in a single column and the value on a different column. By matching the column, Stock Sync is able to sort based on the name. Next, the case convert is used to change the title casings. By default, the process won't do any conversion. However, you can choose to convert all to lowercase, uppercase, titleize case, or clean up all HTML tags from the value in the feed file. Lastly, the find and replace allows you to replace any word or phrase from the feed with the value that you have added. For example, replace the value S and M. Simply enter SM on find field and enter small, medium on replace field. For the add product feed, there is an additional field, which is variant group. This field is used as an identifier to group variants under a single variant. For example, in the feed file has a column name of var ID which shows A1 for each of the variants and B1 for another product's variants. So it will group it together as one product. Mapped the variant option as size. Once you are ready, click on Next, and all changes will be saved.